Compact Bench Vise, Mini Adjustable Tabletop Clamp for DIY projects, woodworking, jewelry making and crafts, durable metal and rubber grip with precision engineering. Material: metal, rubber. Specifications: 1. Completely new and of high quality. 2. This bench vise is made from a cast aluminum body with a steel screw and handle, ensuring it is robust, highly durable, and suitable for long-term use. 3. This compact mini bench vise is lightweight and easy to transport, making it very space-efficient. 4. Versatile use, ideal for crafts, hobbies, woodworking, jewelry making, model building, electronics, and more. Details: 1. Material: aluminum. 2. Maximum jaw opening: 30 mm. 3. The maximum depth for the mounting clamp is 35 mm. 4. Please note, it can accommodate any plane thickness less than 35 mm/1.38 inch. The package contains 1 mini table vise. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.